Hi everybody, let me share this live stream on my pages and everywhere, and we'll start just within 1 or 2 minutes. Uh, let's see from where it is going to be shared. Okay, so now, hi everyone, I'm Shailendra Roja, a business software consultant. Last time I have talked about a product, a services like more how you can provide a hygienic product to the market. It is all depend upon that, and that is going to be the upcoming big market. And what happened recently, there is a guy from Pizza Hut services who is not who is positive through COVID, and he was not well checked up, and rest you all know what happened after that. So the hygienic delivery services, it is the second biggest thing in the market. So today we are going to talk about a lot of new business opportunities that we have. And yes, when there are a lot of business opportunities, definitely there are lots and lots of job opportunities will also be there. So we'll come with one by one and talk about why that opportunity is going to be work. So the first opportunity we are going to talk right now is the e-magazine. Right now, all over the world, people are sitting at their home. They are not going outside, and it is going to be continue at least for 1 year or 2 year till it is not ended up finally. So e-magazine, it is the first biggest thing that is coming up in the market and already running well. The companies who are into e-magazine, their subscription goes 10 times more now. So as you are at home, you definitely will read a lot of stuff. So e-magazine is the biggest opportunity section right now. Then the home delivery services, right? I said in the starting, there is a big need of home delivery services if you can provide a hygiene delivery option to them, and you have to prove it that you are providing a proper hygiene, and you are also providing a pure cleaning of your service seller or your rider who is going to deliver the solution at anybody's home. And for the same this purpose, we have started a website, especially with the name of Shalivery.in. You can open that website and you can start your business up to 25 services in that. Yes, up to 25 services we have listed in that. You can start your business with that. It is having a pre-made solution which is free, a software where you can register all your incoming inquiries of delivery, and you can manage all your delivery boys over there. There are total 25 service listed in that. So if I'm going to tell you about all those services, it's going to be a lot of time. So go visit shalivery.in and you will see all those services over there under the registration link. Third is tiffin services. So as many people who are coming from other places residing in the Delhi NCR region, they are looking for tiffin services, but yes, still if you can provide them a very hygiene solution, still it is feasible for them to buy your services, and you have to prove that yes, it is well maintained and created, which is good for their health to be used. Third is the option is the healthcare segment. So healthcare, it is the next product, the next big market. So if you are into any healthcare product, or you are planning to start any healthcare product, even with the that is related to hygiene services, you can start it right now. It is the right time to start that business. It is having a big market in the coming days. Don't wait, just start it up. And yes, Shalivery is also Shalivery.in is having that option to manage those services also. So it is free, lifetime free. Then government supplies are going to be increased a lot. You can opt for government supplies. Go on that their website, see what government is looking for. There are going to be very huge new requirement of services will be there. So go there and check it out. At the end of this session, I will again speak in. I will do another session which will be in Hindi for all of you. Third thing, third biggest product which is going to have a big market is Jaggery. Jaggery means good. So if because it is a very good body cleanser, and soon Ayurvedic doctors and government will definitely talk about it to be used on a daily basis. So start selling Jaggery, start producing Jaggery. It is a big market. Jaggery means good. So when I'm doing Hindi session, it is having everything in that. Second of product from the food segment, it's turmeric because it is it is having medicinal product, and government is also already saying through their app, use turmeric in your milk every day, whenever you're taking the milk, because it is going to increase your immunity. So turmeric, should start buying turmeric and have a packaging of it. Start your own product with the which is having a turmeric product to be sold out. Start with it. Sorry, I just confused in a number of words. Then the salt, senda namak. The salt is the next big thing, because government is also saying use warm water with salt to save yourself. And the people who are having heart disease, they will definitely not going to use normal salt. They need the sanda namak. Go for senda namak and start packaging it, packing it and selling it. Just 1 second. Okay, I'm going. Okay now. Okay, the next biggest market is of Kiryana world. Kiryana online Kiryana store is going to be the biggest market right now. So be ready for providing your services online delivery. And yes, there is a special segment of delivery market will be arose in the market. So it doesn't matter how many big companies are there in the market. So if you can provide with good hygiene, you are able to sell your delivery services, and you can compete any big company right now. Third big thing is, uh, yes, the hardware selling services is going to be boom in the market. The hardware selling services. Start doing hardware selling, and hardware services, service support is the biggest next challenge in the market. And there will be a boom in these services because people are running, starting working from their home. Start working on that, thinking on that, start planning, tie up with the companies who are into hardware. And yes, if you don't have money to start your hardware selling services, you can start hardware support solutions. That is also going to big market right now. Again, be understand at your point that you can provide it at hygiene level. You can give that surety to the client. And yes, Shelly.in also having that solution for you to start it with. Apart from that, when the market will open, there will be huge number of export houses will coming up. So definitely, when huge manufacturing houses are coming up in India from all over the world, there will be a big need of product designing services. So you can opt out for product designing services also as a outsourcing company, which is going to be a big market right now. Next thing is, as we know, if we see a world chart of COVID, we will see Indians are more immune to these services, and we are very much safe in comparison of ratios if you count. So people will now look after our food, what we eat most, and they would like to take that buy those services in Western countries mostly, and in European countries. So Indian food export is also going to be the biggest market need now. Next is Indian masalas. Definitely the spices we are using in our food, that makes us more immune. That increase our immunity and protect our body from any unwanted material coming inside our body, or even it is if it is stick to if it is stick to the food, those the turmeric and other spices we are using, that save us from that thing. The next big thing is farming. Organic farming is going to the biggest market down. Organic farming is the biggest thing, and there are lots of option to do organic farming even at from your home. If you're living in an area where you have a roof of your own, you can start cultivating food over there through organic means. And yes, organic food is the biggest market. Be noted it down for sure. You can do it easily. Then yoga and meditation is also going to be the biggest thing in the market. Yoga is already working well. Now people will be more diverted toward yoga and meditation. So if you are already into this, you are great. If you are thinking to do it, start doing it. And the last option is employee health. For this section, we will definitely start with some other day. So I've already detailed you about near about 20 products which is going to be huge in the market, and I am again quoting one more product, which is Shalivery.in, where you can have a software to manage all your delivery solutions. which is covering near about 25 services now. So wherever customer need to call you for their home, you can go to shalivari.in, create your service over there, which is free for lifetime under terms and condition. You can see over there, which is free for you, and you can start any of your business from there. So it's a small information about each and everything. If you any of you is having any query, any question, do call me up 9810959001 or contact me over Facebook with the name of Shalendra Ahuja and Shali Ahuja. Uh, I'll be more than happy to help you out on all these things. Take care. Goodbye. The next session I'm starting with the next 5 minutes, which will be in Hindi for all other people. Thank you. Bye.